Have you ever looked around your home and felt like things could be easier, but you just don't know how? Simple daily tasks, cleaning, organizing, even relaxing, sometimes take more effort than they should. You try to manage everything, but small problems keep repeating. Mess builds up faster than expected, tasks take longer, and you end up feeling like your home is not as efficient as it could be. That's exactly what millions of people in the United States are experiencing right now. In 2026, people are not just upgrading their kitchens, they're upgrading their entire homes with smart, time-saving gadgets that make everyday life easier. But here's the truth, not every viral home gadget is actually useful. Some look impressive online but don't deliver in real life. So I tested and researched 10 new viral home gadgets that are actually solving real problems. These are trending right now on Amazon, and people are actively buying them because they work. Some of these will save you time, some will reduce effort, and a few might completely change your daily routine. Make sure you watch till the end, because number 1 is something you'll wish you had much earlier. Let's start with number 10. Number 10. Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max. Cleaning your home is something you can't avoid, but it's also one of the most time-consuming and repetitive tasks in daily life. No matter how often you clean, dust and dirt always come back. For many people in the United States, balancing work, family, and home responsibilities makes it difficult to keep up with regular cleaning. That's exactly why robot vacuums have become so popular, and the Eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is one of the most viral options in 2026. It's designed to take over one of the most tiring chores and turn it into something automatic. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its simplicity and efficiency. Instead of manually vacuuming your floors, you just turn this device on, and it starts cleaning on its own. It moves around your home, detects dirt, and adjusts its suction power automatically using BoostIQ technology. In modern American homes, where people value convenience and automation, this feature makes a huge difference. Viral videos often show robot vacuums moving smoothly under furniture, and in real use, this is one of its biggest strengths. It can clean areas that are hard to reach manually. It's also designed to be quiet, which means it won't disturb your daily activities. The slim design allows it to fit under beds and sofas, ensuring a deeper clean. Maintenance is simple, and once you set it up, it becomes part of your routine without extra effort. Once you start using a robot vacuum like this, going back to manual cleaning feels exhausting and outdated. It's not just a gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. And that's exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most practical home gadgets in 2026. Number 9. Blink Outdoor 4 Wireless Security Camera. Home security is something people often think about, but don't always take action on, until something goes wrong. Whether it's keeping an eye on your front door, monitoring deliveries, or just feeling safe when you're not at home, having a reliable security system makes a huge difference. That's exactly why the Blink Outdoor 4 wireless security camera has become one of the most viral home gadgets in 2026. It gives you peace of mind without the complexity or high cost of traditional security systems. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its wireless and easy setup. Unlike older security systems that require professional installation and complicated wiring, this camera can be installed in minutes. You simply place it where you need it, connect it to your smartphone, and you're ready to go. In the United States, where convenience and smart home technology are growing rapidly, this simplicity is a major reason behind its popularity. Another key advantage is real-time monitoring. The camera allows you to see what's happening at your home from anywhere using your phone. Viral videos often show how quickly users get alerts and check live footage, but in real life, the biggest benefit is the sense of control it gives you. It's also weather-resistant, meaning it works reliably outdoors in different conditions. Once you start using a smart security camera like this, traditional methods of home monitoring feel limited and outdated. It's not just about security, it's about peace of mind and control over your environment. And that's exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most useful and in-demand home gadgets in 2026. Number 8. Govee RGBIC Smart Floor Lamp. Lighting plays a much bigger role in your home than most people realize. It's not just about visibility. It directly affects your mood, your focus, and even how your space feels overall. Many homes still rely on basic lighting that doesn't change, doesn't adapt, and doesn't really add anything special to the environment. That's exactly why the Govee RGBIC Smart Floor Lamp has become one of the most viral home gadgets in 2026. It transforms ordinary lighting into something dynamic, customizable, and visually impressive. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its ability to display multiple colors at once using RGBIC technology. In the United States, where people are investing more into aesthetic home setups, gaming rooms, and relaxing environments, this feature has made it extremely popular. Another major advantage is smart control. You can control the lamp through your smartphone or even voice assistants, which means you don't have to get up to adjust settings. Whether you want a calm, warm light for relaxing or vibrant colors for a more energetic atmosphere, everything can be customized instantly. Viral videos often show stunning lighting transitions, but in real life, the biggest benefit is how easily you can change the entire mood of a room, that it's also perfect for different situations. You can use it while watching movies. Number 7. Levoit Core 300 Air Purifier. Air quality is something most people don't think about until it starts affecting their health or comfort. Whether it's dust, pet dander, smoke, or allergens, the air inside your home can sometimes be worse than outside. This can lead to problems like allergies, poor sleep, and general discomfort. That's exactly why the Levoit Core 300 Air Purifier has become one of the most viral home gadgets in 2026. It's designed to quietly improve the air you breathe every single day without requiring much effort. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its powerful filtration system. In the United States, where many households deal with allergies or pets, this feature has made it extremely popular. It doesn't just make the air feel cleaner, it actually improves the overall environment of your home. Another major advantage is how simple it is to use. You just turn it on, and it starts working instantly. Viral videos often highlight how quickly it refreshes a room, but in real life, the biggest benefit is long-term comfort. The compact design is also a big plus. It doesn't take up much space and fits easily into bedrooms, living rooms, or even small apartments. Maintenance is minimal, with filters that are easy to replace when needed. This makes it a practical choice for everyday use. Once you start using an air purifier like this, you begin to notice the difference in how your home feels. Breathing becomes easier, the environment feels fresher, and overall comfort improves. It's not just a gadget, it's an upgrade to your daily living experience. And that's exactly why the Levoit Core 300 continues to trend as one of the most essential home gadgets in 2026. Number 6. Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit. Lighting is one of those things people use every day, but rarely think about improving. You turn lights on and off without realizing how much they affect your mood, energy, and overall environment. Traditional lighting is static. It doesn't change based on your needs, your time of day, or your activities. That's exactly why the Philips Hue Smart Light Starter Kit has become one of the most viral home gadgets in 2026. It transforms basic lighting into a fully customizable experience that adapts to your lifestyle. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its smart control system. In the United States, where smart homes are becoming more common, this level of control is a huge advantage for convenience and comfort. Another major benefit is customization. You're not limited to just one type of light. You can switch between warm tones for relaxing, bright white light for focus, or even colorful lighting for entertainment. This allows you to create different moods for different situations, whether you're working, watching movies, or just winding down after a long day. Viral videos often show entire rooms transforming with a single tap, and in real use, the experience feels just as impressive. Automation is another key feature. You can set schedules so your lights turn on or off automatically based on your routine. This not only saves time, but also adds a layer of security when you're not at home. Once you start using a smart lighting system like Philips Hue, traditional lighting feels limited and outdated. It's not just about illumination and creating the perfect environment whenever you need it. And that's exactly why it continues to trend as one of the most advanced and useful home gadgets in 2026. Number 5. Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2. Have you ever made a perfect cup of coffee or tea only for it to get cold before you even finish it? It's a small problem, but it happens every day, and it ruins the experience more than people realize. You either rush to drink it while it's hot or reheat it again, which changes the taste. That's exactly why the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2 has become one of the most viral home gadgets in 2026. It solves a very simple problem, but in a way that feels premium and life-changing. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its ability to maintain your drink at the exact temperature you prefer. In the United States, where coffee is part of daily life, this feature has made it extremely popular among professionals, remote workers, and anyone who enjoys hot beverages. Another major advantage is convenience. You don't have to keep reheating your drink or rushing to finish it. Whether you're working, relaxing, or multitasking, your coffee stays perfect from the first sip to the last. Viral videos often show people enjoying their drinks without worrying about temperature. The design is also modern and minimal, fitting perfectly into any home setup. It looks like a regular mug but functions like a smart device. Battery life is strong enough for daily use, and the charging coaster makes it easy to keep ready at all times. Cleaning is simple, and it's built for regular use without hassle. Once you start using a smart mug like this, traditional mugs feel outdated. It's not just about drinking. It's about enjoying your drink the way it was meant to be. And that's exactly why the Ember Smart Mug 2 continues to trend as one of the most unique and practical home gadgets in 2026. Number 4. iRobot Braava Jet M6 Robot Mop. Keeping your floors clean is one thing, but maintaining that fresh, polished look every day is something most people struggle with. Vacuuming removes dust and dirt, but it doesn't give that deep, clean feeling that mopping provides. The problem is, mopping takes time, effort, and consistency, something that's hard to maintain in a busy routine. That's exactly why the iRobot Braava Jet M6 robot mop has become one of the most viral home gadgets in 2026. It takes one of the most tiring household tasks and turns it into something completely automatic. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its ability to mop floors on its own. Instead of manually filling a bucket, dipping a mop, and scrubbing surfaces, this device handles everything for you. You simply set it up, and it navigates around your home, cleaning floors with precision. It can also be controlled through your smartphone, allowing you to schedule cleaning sessions even when you're not at home. Viral videos often show spotless floors with minimal effort, and in real use, that's exactly what this gadget delivers. The IT also works well alongside robot vacuums, creating a complete automated cleaning system. First, dust and debris are removed, and then the mop finishes the job by cleaning the surface. This combination saves a huge amount of time and keeps your home consistently clean. Once you start using a robot mop like this, traditional mopping feels exhausting and outdated. It's not just about cleaning. It's about freeing up your time and reducing effort. And that's exactly why the iRobot Braava Jet M6 continues to trend as one of the most advanced and practical home gadgets in 2026. Number 3. Ring Video Doorbell Wired. Your front door is one of the most important points of your home, but it's also one of the most vulnerable. Whether it's package deliveries, unexpected visitors, or security concerns, not knowing who's at your door can create uncertainty. That's exactly why the Ring Video Doorbell Wired has become one of the most viral home gadgets in 2026. It transforms a simple doorbell into a smart security system that keeps you connected to your home at all times. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its real-time video feature. In the United States, where online shopping and home deliveries are extremely common, this feature has become a major advantage. The device sends alerts directly to your phone whenever it detects movement near your door. This adds an extra layer of awareness and security. Viral videos often show how quickly users can respond to activity, but in real-life use, the biggest advantage is peace of mind. You always know what's happening outside your home. Installation is also simple compared to traditional security systems. Once set up, it becomes part of your daily routine without requiring constant attention, as one of the most essential and widely used home gadgets in 2026. Number 2. Shark Wandvac Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Not every mess in your home requires a full-size vacuum, but at the same time, ignoring small messes can quickly turn into bigger problems. Crumbs on the couch, dust on shelves, dirt in corners. These small things build up fast. The problem is, taking out a heavy vacuum cleaner every time feels like too much effort. That's exactly why the Shark Wandvac Cordless Handheld Vacuum has become one of the most viral home gadgets in 2026. Instead of delaying cleaning tasks, you can handle them instantly. Another major advantage is powerful suction in a compact form. Despite its small size, this device is designed to pick up dirt, crumbs, and even small debris efficiently. Whether it's cleaning your sofa, car interior, or tight corners in your home, it delivers results that feel surprisingly strong for its size. As one of the most practical and frequently used home gadgets in 2026. Number 1. Google Nest Hub. We've finally reached number 1, and this is not just another gadget. It's something that can completely transform how you interact with your home every single day. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, managing everything, your schedule, your devices, your routines, can feel overwhelming. You're constantly switching between apps, checking reminders, controlling different devices separately. That's exactly where the Google Nest Hub becomes a true game changer. It brings everything together into one simple, smart system. What makes this gadget stand out immediately is its ability to act as a central control hub for your entire home. From one screen, you can manage your lights, check security cameras, control music. In modern American homes, where smart devices are becoming more common, this level of integration makes life significantly easier. Another major advantage is voice control. You don't even need to touch the screen, just speak, and it responds instantly. Whether you want to set reminders, check the weather, or control your home environment, everything happens naturally. Viral videos often show how effortlessly people interact with smart displays. But in real life, the biggest benefit is how much time and effort it saves. The design is simple and modern, fitting easily into any room. It's not just about convenience. It's about upgrading your entire lifestyle. And that's exactly why the Google Nest Hub earns the number 1 spot as one of the most powerful and viral home gadgets in 2026.